Hello everyone, I'm Sun Ping, and today I will show you my project Starfish Collector. And let's get started. For the start, we have one character, that's what our turtle. Okay. The main thing we need to do is collect all the starfish at the screen we can see. But some things like rock, they will block our way to collect the starfish. So we have to move around from the rock and collect all the starfish. Here we go. You collect all the starfish. After you collect all the starfish, you can just press try again, or you can just quit the program. Now I show you how to create this game. Let's go. Okay, now for the first, we have to create this 3 layer for our point. Okay, for the first is the background. As you can see, the background is the sea. Okay, we just need to put the image inside this background, and then we will not do anything for it, so we can just lock it. Okay, for the second part, main is our character, or the main thing we need to do, like starfish, turtle, and rock is our main thing. The thing that we have need to play inside the game, we put at the main. And second is the UI, which was the words. Okay, let's get started. Okay, for the first, we put our turtle image inside this project. Then we have to do some behavior for it to let it can move and won't move out to the layout. So the thing we need to do is add direction and bound to layout behavior. Have these two behavior, the turtle can move around freely by controlling the up down left right arrow, and it will move freely. And bound to layout is to not let the turtle, when we are playing, the turtle will not go out the layout like this or like this. So after he collide with the layout, it won't go out, it will just start at there. Okay, so for the second one is the rock. We have to create a thing to block the player easy to get the starfish. So we have to put some behavior for it, like solid. Because I have a solid at there, this one is also one character that is something like how this is a solid and this not solid. After it collide with it, it cannot move through it because this are solid. It will block its way. So we just need to put at the rock solid behavior, and then we done. For the next one is the starfish. This was also an easy one. We just put an image inside and give it some behavior. Okay, the behaviors that I have give to the starfish is rotate, sign, bounce to layout, and fade. Okay, for the rotate and sign, because the starfish only start at the windows, it will feel bored, right? So I put the rotate and sign to make it can rotate around and move around like what we just see just now. Okay, so I just put the speed to rotate speed to 180, and the sign is the size. It will become big and small when it rotating. Okay, the period I give is 2. And for the next, mouse to layout, like what I say just now for the turtle, don't let is the main thing, do not let the items or the character move out the layout, because I give them a rotate and size. If their size are bigger than that, the thing will move out, right? So I put this behavior for it. And for the next one And the last one is the fade. I do it for the fade is like I put the fade from the start, it won't fade. After we give it some command and it will start fading. And after it fade, it will destroy. Okay, let's see our event. Just now what I say, I don't give the starfish to start fade at the start is because I want the turtle, when the turtle is collide with the starfish, and then the starfish start fading out. So this is what I need. So I put like that. So after the turtle collect the starfish will start fading out from the screen. Okay. After fading out the screen, the starfish will destroy and it won't eat your memory again. Then I put some sound effect for it after we collect the starfish, so it will feel more fun when we are playing. And for the next part is the system. System is when the system read the starfish at the windows are equal to 0. When the number of starfish is 0, the words will come up. The you win words and the try again words will visible. Like here. Just now, what I show you is this. These two words will appear. And these two words also an image, or you can just type it with your text. And then press insert. Then just type your word you want. After you put, you can put at then here interior visibly, put it invisible. So when the layout is start, it won't visible. After we are done something or achieve some part we are give, the words are will be visible. Okay, this is what is do. So you just need to simple to put system compare to value. Okay, when we use the compare to value, like just now we want to starfish count to 0. Okay, we just need to type the number the image or the item that your name just now. Okay, starfish. Okay, just press enter and press full stop and write count. Enter. You can choose yourself. You want to not equal to or less than or less or equal, greater than or greater or equal. So we need to put to equal to, because when 0 we want the words come out, so we put equal to 0 and we press done, and we just need to write like this the words that just now you put invisible. And next, and you can write set visible, or you can find at the appearance part. At the appearance part is at here, set visible. You just can press it and press next. Here got invisible and visible, so we won't use invisible because we need the user or the player to see, right? So we put it visible. Yeah, then you're done. Just do the same process for the next text, like try again. Try again words. You just need to follow back the things like compare two things, and yeah, just continue. So after we done, we have try again button. So we need to press the try again button to let the player to replay the game. So we can do is give one behavior for the words is drag and drop behavior. After we give the drag and drop behavior, yeah, you can find the drag and drop behavior at here. Oh, because I can't find the drag, but you can find a drag and drop behavior at here. Okay, after you give the behavior, you go to event sheet and you can just like for the words that play out. Next, on drag start, put yes, and then when you, the meaning is like when your mouse are going to click on it, what the thing you want it happen. So we want the thing that happen is the layout are restart again to let the player to play. So we can put is restart the layout. Then after you click, the things will just restart. And the next thing you can put is the audio sound. When you click, you got the click sound for it. So I put a click sound. And this one, the system reset global variable to default. This was the thing. The reason I put is just like to reset all the data. So, but for this game, you want to put is okay. You don't want to put also okay. It's because for this one is like you got the score point. When the score point you have set, the score point was still at that if you restart the layout. But if we put the reset global variables to default, the data will also reset. So the point that last game you play, the point it will be restart again to 0. So you can play from the start. So this is what the function is do. Okay, after you done all of this, you can put background music for it. Just like system, and then go to the bottom one and find, oh, not to the bottom, sorry, my bad. You can find on start of layout. Okay, here on start of layout, and then your audio, choose the audio and play, and choose the audio you have. Okay, for the last thing was, after you put the sound will play when the layout is start. So yeah, so the last thing I need to say is at here the layout, from the first, after you double click the screen or you just left click insert new object, you can find one audio project at here. Like you can see it's like this, got the audio. Because I already put, so the things are not visible. So you will find it at media, you will see audio things, and you just click it and insert, and then it will come here. After that, the sound you have own download, you need to import to the file. How to import the file is you left click, right click the sound or the music. But for the music I put it is for the background music, and the sound is the thing that when the turtle talk collide with the starfish, the sound. Okay, so we just need to put import sound, and then choose the sound you already download, and just press open. It will import itself, and then you can find your audio at here, audio file at here. Okay, after that you are done. You've done all your project. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.